All right, let's talk about one of the biggest decisions you'll make in college, picking your major. When I was staring at that list of options, it felt like the weight of my entire future was hanging in the balance. But if you break it down, it gets a lot less overwhelming. Here are the top 5 things I wish I'd understood before making my choice. First up, your interests and passions. Ask yourself honestly, do I actually like learning about this subject, or am I picking it just for the paycheck? Trust me, if you're passionate about what you're studying, you're way more likely to actually enjoy classes, push through tough projects, and stick with it when things get stressful. If you're only in it for the money, burnout comes fast. Next, let's talk strengths and skills. Think about what comes naturally to you. Maybe you ace math tests, or you're the go-to person when your friends need help writing a paper. Choosing a major that matches your talents isn't just about taking the easy route, it's about building confidence and making your college experience a little smoother. When you play to your strengths, you give yourself the best shot at excelling. Number 3, career opportunities and job market demand. What does the future look like for your field? Do a little digging. Check out job growth statistics, which industries are booming, and where the demand is headed. Right now, fields like AI, renewable energy, healthcare tech, and cybersecurity are exploding with possibilities. Picking a major with a growing job market can set you up for long-term stability. Fourth, earning potential and your financial goals. Money isn't everything, but let's be real, it matters. Look up the typical salary ranges for careers in your major, and think about whether that lines up with the kind of lifestyle you want. But here's the thing, don't chase a high salary if it means dreading every Monday. The sweet spot is finding something that pays well, but also makes you want to get out of bed in the morning. Finally, flexibility and transferable skills. Some majors, like business, computer science, or communications, teach you skills that work in tons of different jobs. If you're not totally sure about your future plans, this kind of flexibility is gold. It means you're prepared if you ever want to switch careers, or if your industry changes in ways you didn't expect. So, before you lock in your major, take a breath. Think about what lights you up, what you're good at, where the jobs are, how much you want to earn, and how much flexibility you want down the road. Your college major isn't your entire life story, it's just the next chapter. And you've got the pen,